in Kyoto. I think we're always in Kyoto. I think this is Kyoto. Are we in Kyoto? We're in Kyoto, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna buy...
Bamboo at saka sa may temple.
Mommy,
We're riding a
we're gonna buy... Kuya Jico!
Ayan na.
Pwede tayo mag-park dito, di ba?
Hi.
Hi.
Let's go.
Stop. Watch this. For Jana's vlog. For the big. Oh, hold up.
Go, mommy. Dito sa side, mommy. Sa side. Oh!
Okay.
Can do it, mom. Madali lang yan.
Ayoko, hirap pala. Uy,
Tama ba?
na-shoot na niya kanina pa.
May...
Ano?
Magagawa ni Kuya Miko yan, daddy.
10,000.
Sige.
Uy, grabe.
Tsaka lang. Pag ano.
Grabe yung motivation niya si Miko pagka-pera.
Oo nga, tinan mo.
Padad? Yo-yo master.
Daddy.
Hello. Pagod na.
Oo nga.
Let's go.
Yes, please. Really? I haven't seen like this
These
yet.
kinds of vendors. Tayo mo nga.
I don't have coins now, but I wanna try it. Wow! Ang layo naman. Akala ko hindi na binigay. Osaka Castle. Ayun.
Pagka na dito pala, yan.
Oops.
まもなく発車となります。パーキングお客様、閉まりますのでご注意ください。
Mami. Nene.
Hibachi Gate, West Gate, and the Makita Underground Gate.
Pag hindi na authenticate, gaganon. Gaganyan. Yo. Yo, wait a minute.
And they lock you inside and they cut off your oxygen supply.
Yo, wait. What? What is?
Oh my god.
Kuya.
Jika picture mo ako.
What? Hala! It's the dugong! Kuya Jico! Cute! Beppo! We have bought, we're not allowed to record, but I bought many One Piece. Oh! Yoshi! Watch.
Wait.
Go down. And then there's the ano! Ang galing! We're Pokemon Center now. Ito na yung malala. This is what I want. Oh. Huh? Oh, what? Are you gonna get him?
No.
You don't want him?
I want it, but like, I don't want it.
What have I done?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
You put it back to it. We got it! Oh my gosh! Ang cute niya!
Hey, I was the one that moved it.
Thanks. Ang cute! Yes! That's why you never give up.
Yup.
So cute! Leave that camera.
Iko-convert ba to? Iko-convert? Hindi. What? Ilan? Hindi si Kuya. Or,
Let's go, Kuya.
sashimi time.
Cheers!
Cheers, cheers. Sandali, sandali.
Sashimi time.
This is, baka itong area lang yung take out. AOP 1T.
Oh, pwede mo itong card nila, ma'am.
Oh, yeah.
Pwede mo-
Don't
Two,
make it.
One.
We got this. Okay, we're matching.
Nakakagay. Sige ba?
Yeah.
What does it say? Next one.
What's that? Oh, yeah. Ang cute nito.
Did it focus? Oh god. 3, 2. Please,
I wanna slap you for the sake.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Oh!
What'd you get, Lou? Is
Yeah,
that-
Luffy.
Oh, we're switching up.
Are we switching?
Oh, do you wanna switch? Cause like,
Yeah, I got the.
I got Robin. Oh, I mean, it's kind of awkward now.
Very.
Thanks. You're getting there. Luffy has already focused. Ay, why?
Nice.
We're going to Harai.
Ang init, ang init.
Yummy.
Very.
Mami. Yummy.
Yummy yun. Pero over,
Seriously,
over ko na ng order.
Ang dami pagkain. Ito, Shiba Cafe. Myself. Sorry. Hi. Wow, mataray talaga pa nagsisimba lang. It's filled with the hair now. Ito ka.
褒めてもらうと調子乗ってまた持ってくるんで。ボールが。独特な髪型する。さあ、じゃあ。頑張れ。
It's raining. Kawawang sapatos. Ito ko para patulugin yung doggy sa akin. Buti na lang sinuot ko to. Yung una, pinatanggal yung jacket ko. Akala ko masyadong malaki, so bawal. Tapos nilagay sa lap ko. Tapos nakatulog si Namba sa akin. Sabi ko, ow! Okay. Cute, cute. 니는 어린이다.
Kudota. What?
Hindi, ayaw mo? Shark bait. Wow.
Yeah, you know what they said?
I don't know.
Kudeta.
What's that?
They're gonna strike a rebellion on you.
What the fuck? What the heck? Ngayon ako. Ano yan?
Kudota.
Wish. Kakainis.
The instigator? Scott.
Saka malapit lang.
Oo, sarap. Nakala mo yung maglakad ko, hindi ka takot?
Mami.
Yes. Hi.